Hello, my name is Jason Perkins. I'm an attorney that specializes in Georgia workers' compensation cases, and I'd like to welcome you to another episode in my Georgia workers' compensation video series. I created this series to provide you with helpful information about Georgia workers' compensation law and the rules and benefits available to you under it. Today, I want to talk to you about what happens after you return to work in a workers' compensation case, and can you receive workers' compensation benefits after returning to work? Yes, you can receive workers' compensation benefits after returning to work. I think the important thing to understand is there's several different types of workers' compensation benefits available to you in Georgia. One type of benefit that you can definitely receive after return to work is medical benefits. Medical benefits are basically the insurance company paying for the medical treatment that you need because of your injury. Just because you return to work does not mean that you don't need any more medical treatment. So if you continue to need medical treatment and you're treating with authorized doctors, the insurance company should continue paying that even after you return to work. A second benefit that you can receive after you return to work is something called temporary partial disability benefits. These are benefits that you receive when you're able to earn some money but not able to earn as much as you were before you were injured. And when you can show that the reason that you're earning less money is because of your workers' compensation injury. So if you return to a light duty job that's paying you less money than you made before you got hurt, or you're having to work less hours, and you may certainly be entitled to temporary partial disability benefits. These benefits are one of the benefits that gets messed up most by insurance companies. When I talk to people who have returned to work and should probably be entitled to temporary partial disability benefits, most of the time they're not receiving them. Third benefit you can definitely receive after return to work is something called permanent partial disability benefits. These benefits are paid to you based on a permanent partial impairment rating that your doctor provides to you. And when you return to work, if you have a permanent partial disability rating, and if you're not entitled to temporary partial disability benefits, then the insurance company should start paying you those permanent partial disability benefits. And a fourth benefit that you can receive even after returning to work is temporary total disability benefits. Now, you will not receive these benefits while you are working, unless you're in a really weird situation called concurrent dissimilar employment. Most of the time, though, you're not going to receive these benefits while working because temporary total disability benefits pay you for being completely out of work as a result of your injury. However, it's possible that after returning to work that you may end up coming back out of work again at some point. If you have to have surgery or some medical treatment that causes you to come out of work, or if your condition worsens to the point that you can't do the job anymore, or the job just becomes unavailable. And at that situation, when you come back out of work, there's nothing that precludes you from getting future temporary total disability benefits just because you did some work in the past. I hope you found this information about benefits that you can receive when you return to work after an injury helpful to you. If you have, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you've got some questions about the specific benefits that I talked about in this video, temporary partial disability, temporary total, medical, permanent partial, you can view the other videos from my Georgia Workers' Compensation video series at our Perkins Stuttered Workers' Compensation YouTube channel. I've talked about each one of those videos and each one of those benefits in other videos, so you can find some more specific and detailed information there. You can also subscribe if you'd like to be notified of future videos as they come out. If you have some specific questions about those benefits or just any type of questions about your workers' compensation case, I think the best way to get those sorts of questions answered is through a free consultation with a workers' compensation attorney. If you'd like to set up a free consultation with me, I'd be happy to do that for you. There's two easy ways that you can get that process started. The first is by calling our office at the phone number on the bottom of the screen. Someone will speak with you and be happy to get a consultation with me scheduled. Or the second is by visiting our website, www.perkinslawtalk.com, where you can complete and submit our free consultation request form. Thanks again for watching today, and I wish you the best of luck as you recover from your injury.